Hello, welcome to Coding Keywords channel. I used computers for the first time as a teenager. Right now, things are different because even toddlers use tablets and handle phones. Computers are very smart and useful, but they can't do things on their own. Coding is what is behind the applications of computers and phones in areas like websites, games, software, apps, and all the great things we use computers to do. No doubt you are already using computers and phones, but you may be wondering if coding is for you. Here at Coding Keywords, we will help you answer that question. We simplify the learning of coding or programming languages like Python. By highlighting the keywords, we tell you what is important, and that makes it easy for you to learn. Data is another area where computers and coding have been widely applied. We also teach data analysis using our keywords technique. So if core coding in things like Python and JavaScript is not for you, there are chances that data analysis is the area for you. So check out our simplified videos on data analysis using Excel, SQL, Python, and even AI. So here at Coding Keywords, we do things around coding and computers, and we break it down to make it simple for you to get started. Stay connected to learn about artificial intelligence, basics, tools, applications, and even the advanced concepts. You would also discover more about your strengths and skills. That's what comes with learning tech. It touches every aspect of life, including design, using tools like Canva, and even project management and entrepreneurship. So I say welcome to Coding Keywords. Subscribe to this channel, stay connected, and there's a lot for you to learn. Thank you.